Welcome to BSC Fashion, an online shopping portal of BS Channabasappa and Sons, powered by TBITS India. In this video, let us see how to load products using filters. Click on the filters button to see available options. Now, let us see how to sort the products by price, high to low, low to high. Let us filter through colors now. I have selected lime green color. Click on apply. Doing this will load the products with lime green color and sort by price, low to high. Clear any filter by clicking on close button. Now, let us load the products by choosing 2XL size in men's category. 130 products loaded with these filters. You can select the size by clicking on it. Now let's see the kids section. Let's search for toys in newborns category. This is a local search to load products within the category. Thank you so much for watching. Happy shopping at BSC Fashion.